Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Maths Board. Today I am here with Karnataka School Examination and Assessment Board, that is board model paper. Here in this year we have received two model papers. This is the model question paper 1 of 2024-25, subject mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this model paper. So let us begin this. Here the first question is, that is multiple choice question. We have 8 question in first main. So the first question, the HCF of 5 square into 2 and 2 to the power 5 is, what they have asked? They have asked HCF, and we know that HCF is a common factor, highest common factor. In this both we can see 5 is common and 2 is common. So 2 5s are 10. Okay, so the correct option is 2 into 5. Common factor we have to find out. So 2 into 5 is a correct option. Second question, the sum of first natural number is. Here the formula for sum of first n natural number is n into n plus 1 by 2. Option C is correct answer, n into n plus 1 by 2. Let us see the third question. In the pair of linear equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0, which of the following situation cannot arise? Okay, let us see. We all know that this is for intersecting line and this is for parallel lines and this is for infinitely many solutions lines, because we know all this. The situation which cannot arise is this. So option D is the correct answer for this, because this situation cannot arise. Okay, let us see the question fourth. So the fourth question is, the number of zeros of polynomial y is equals to p of x in the given graph is. We can see the number of zeros. How we can find? They have given option A as 2, B as 3, C as 4 and D as 5. So the number of zeros are 1, 2 and 3. In this way we have to find the number of zeros. So correct answer is option B, 3. Next question, x into x plus 2 is equals to 6 is a linear equation, quadratic equation, cubic polynomial, quadratic polynomial. Let us see how to solve this. I'll solve this. X into x, x square plus x into 2, 2x is equal to 6. It is nothing but quadratic polynomial, because quadratic equation. So x square plus 2x minus 6 equal to 0 it can be. So the correct option is B, quadratic equation. Okay, so the next question in this figure we have to see. In the figure, triangle PQ are similar to triangle ABC. The pair of corresponding sides in the following is. Here the figure they have given corresponding angles also. Which of the following is correct? PQ is equals to AB, PQ is equals to AB, PR is equals to AC, which is not possible only. PR and AC not possible. QR and AC, QR, AC not possible. PR is equals to BC. This is also not possible. So the correct option is PQ is equals to AB. PQ. This is the corresponding angle, right? This is the corresponding angle. PQ and AB is the correct answer. Let us see the next question, number 7. So the question 7 is, sin square A minus cos square A equal to. Suddenly if we see, we can see this answer as 1. No, but the answer is actually 1 minus 2 cos square A. Why? I'll solve and show here. Sin square A minus cos square A. Okay, so what we have to do? Sin square A, there is no option about sin square A, right? So we will remove. We know sin square A is 1 minus cos square A. Identity of sin square A is 1 minus cos square A. This minus as it is, cos square A as it is. So 1 minus minus is plus. So minus minus we should do plus, but sign will be minus 2 cos square A. So the correct option is 1 minus 2 cos square A. Next, 8th one, the sum of probability of all elementary event of a random experiment is always 1. Should remember the answer is 1. Let us see the second main. Here also we have 8 questions of 1 marks. Find the value of B if the pair of linear equation 2x plus by equals to 8 and 2 into 2x plus 3y is equals to 6 has infinite solution. Now they have given 2 equations. I'll write as these first equations as A1, B1, C1, but here it is not in proper form. First I'll do in a proper form. 2 2s are 4x plus 2 3s are 6y is equals to 16. Now it is in standard form. So first equation a1 b1 c1, second equation a2 b2 c2. Now they have given the condition infinite solution. So I'll write the condition for infinite solution is a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is also equal to c1 upon c2. Okay, we will take a1 value is 2 by a2 4 is equals to b1 value is b and b2 value is 6. Okay, this is enough because we can get b value. Find the value of b they have told. So 4 into b is 4b, cross multiply. 4 into b is 4b is equals to 6 2s are 12. So b is equals to 12 by 4. Okay, 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12 and we get b value as 3. Very simple. We have just cross multiply 4 into b 4b, 6 2s are 12. Then b is equals to 12 by 4. Write the degree of polynomial 5x cube minus 3x square plus 12x plus minus 8. So degree always is highest power and highest power is 3. So degree is 3. Next question, sin a is equals to root 3 by 2 and cos a is equals to 1 by 2. Find the value of tan a. We know that tan a is nothing but sin a by cos a. Let us write sin a value, that is root 3 by 2 upon cos a value as 1 by 2. 2 got cancelled and the answer is only root 3. So the answer is root 3. Next question, write the empirical relation between the three measures of central tendency, mean, median and mode. So the empirical relationship is 3 median is equals to mode plus 2 mean, or we can write 3 median is equals to 2 mean plus mode. So this is the correct answer. Express the equation, quadratic equation, x plus 1 by 2 is equals to 3 by x. So let us cross multiply this into this. X into x plus 1, x into x plus 1 is equals to 2 3s are 6. So x into x, x square plus x 1s are x. This 6 if I bring this side it becomes minus is equals to 0. So this is the standard form of quadratic equation. Next question, find the distance between the point 6 8 from the origin. So we know the origin formula, and the origin formula is d is equals to root of x square plus y square, and let us consider this is x and this is y. So d is equals to root of 6 square plus 8 square, that is equal to 6 square is nothing but 36, 8 square is 8 8s are 64. Root 36 plus 64 is 100 and the answer is 10 unit. So the question number 14 is 10 unit. Next question, here they have given in the figure triangle POQ is similar to ROS. POQ is similar to ROS. Okay. If PQ is equals to SR 1 by 2, then find OS upon OQ. So OS upon OQ is nothing but 2 by 1, that is equal to 2:1, because they are similar triangle and their corresponding sides are in proportion. So it becomes 2 by 1, that is equal to 2:1. And this question number 16, the circumference of circular base of cylinder. I'll do here. Question number 16. Circumference formula is 2 pi r and the circumference of base means circle, is 44. Circumference is 44 centimeter and its height is 10 centimeter. Height is 10 centimeter. Find CSA of cylinder, curved surface area of cylinder. So CSA of cylinder formula is nothing but 2 pi RH. So 2 pi r value is 44. You can see here 2 pi r is 44, h is 10 and the answer is 440 centimeter square. Area always in square unit we should write. So this completes till question number 16. In my next video I am coming up from question number 17. So do like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.